Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft is looking into using AI to actually improve the performance of Windows. So, what's happening is that Microsoft has said they will work on making 8 gigabytes work really well with Windows 11, and also will have some tools that we'll be able to use to check out the performance of our PCs. So, what they are going to do is there's already a process within Windows that is called the Windows Performance Analyzer. The Windows Performance Analyzer is actually something that gathers data about the workings and the innards of your PC, what you're doing when you're actually spiking RAM, the CPU, and so on. And it has a lot of information that can be used to try to find what exactly is happening when your CPU is working hard, what is happening, and how can we make things better. So they are right now using an AI model called the Model Context Protocol. That would be actually integrated into the Windows Performance Analyzer, and also the fact that you would have Copilot being able to help you with all of that. Right now, if you ask Copilot, why is my PC slow? It doesn't do anything. It's going to give you a list of this is the reasons why PCs are slow and so on. Now with the Microsoft, the model context that they want to add, the model context protocol, because it integrates with the Windows Performance Analyzer through AI, through Copilot, you will be able to ask it, why is my PC slow? And or why is my PC slow when I do this or that? And it will actually give you answers of, well, it's slow because you have, this happening with this software and this, amount of RAM, and that makes your PC slow. And it will not just actually tell you the reasons why, it will actually give you suggestions of, here are changes that you can do in your settings or changes that you can do overall that will help your PC perform better and such times. So this is going to be interesting to see how they implement this. If it's well implemented, I could see AI helping a lot and help, and make us understand why sometimes maybe our PC is sluggish. Because it's not always obvious, even if you look at the processes and the performance and the task manager and all of that, the event viewer and whatever. It's not always easy to pinpoint the reason why a PC might be slow at some point. So this is going to be interesting to see. It's something that's being tested, and I would guess might arrive in some future update in Windows. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.